Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I've got something really exciting. It's from Melodysusie, as you can see, and we've got a gift set that they have created for Mother's Day. UK watchers, don't panic, Mother's Day has passed. You haven't forgot to get your mum a card. This is obviously geared towards the American Mother's Day, which I believe is the 11th of May. I think I did actually search it before I started this video and I've already forgotten, but I'm pretty sure it's the 11th of May. Either way, it's in May anyway, so this is perfect timing for this gift box. So I'm going to show you what's in it, and then, well, you'll see it's a beautiful gift. Like, look at it for a start. The packaging is absolutely beautiful. It is sealed with cellophane, so I'm just going to quickly open that. Okay, oh gosh, the glare was bad then. But yeah, I've took the cellophane off so we can now see what is inside. I think I need to open the pink side first. So let's just open it up. Obviously, as you can see, I haven't already looked in it. You are seeing it for the first time with me. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to pop you in my stand now for my phone. So first of all, of course, as you've just seen, the gift box is absolutely beautiful. And it also comes in a gift bag as well. So it's perfect to be given as a gift because that is obviously what it is designed for. It's got beautiful branding at the front, and then we've got warranty information for the products inside. We've got information leaflets for the products, and then we've also got a couple of extra bits here as well, which is exciting. I think these are stickers. There's so many people doing their own nails at home now, so something like this, like, basically includes both of the most important things you need to be able to do your own nails at home. So even if you just bought it for your mum and they don't do their own nails, like, you could get it and offer to do the nails for them. So buy it for yourself, but use it on your mum so she still benefits from it as a gift. But anyway, here's some stickers. So we've got these ones that are so beautiful. They almost look like starfish. And then we've got some hearts, some lines, some holographic silver ones. They're beautiful. We've got some bows. My dog's called Bo and she just looked at me as soon as I said that. And then we've got these, which are absolutely stunning. I love these. Really, really pretty with those little squares and stuff, rectangles even. And then we've got this one, which is so different and a really easy way to do something marble. Literally just pop a patch on each nail and it's that easy. Perfect for a beginner or somebody who does their nails at home, because obviously if you do nails at home, that means you have to do your opposite hand, and we don't like that. It's no fun. So stickers is the way forward to have designs on your own nails when you're doing your own. Super, super quick and easy. Just stick them on, top coat, job's a good one. So we've got two products in here. We've got this lamp, which you will have seen on my channel before. So obviously I'm not really showcasing the lamp as such. It's just the gift box as a whole. So we've got the portable lamp again, which is absolutely fantastic. I've actually used this a couple of times now. I just, like, for people who need flash curing for any reason, like a design or builder gel is a bit runny because it's hot or anything like that in my room, I can literally just press the on button up here and then turn it on and hover it over the client's nails for a few seconds, keep it in place, move it out of the way, do the next nail and then hover again. Perfect, perfect, perfect for flash curing, but also obviously you can use it for full curing. There is a hole here that your thumb goes in and it is automatic, so it has the sensors in there, so you can just use it like that on your own nails. Obviously you place it wherever it suits, and then it also goes the opposite way for you to be able to use it with this hand as well, which is so clever. I actually really loved it. I was a bit skeptical about this at first because I thought it says like it's for UV protection, which I don't agree with it for that reason, because we've established now that the UV from lamps is really not strong enough to cause any long-term harm or anything like that. But practicality wise, like, this is actually really cool. It'd be really good for a mobile nail tech as well, for you to pop in your bag, like, because it's so small and obviously it's portable, so if it was fully charged you'd be well on your way. Like, it wouldn't take up a lot of space in your bag like main bulky lamps do, although I do love the Melodysusie main lamp as well, I must say. So the next thing is this, which I haven't actually had experience with, but this is an e-file, and I know that probably sounds obvious, but it's really, oh, we've got a few more bits down here as well. So we've got some Love Heart buffers, which are really, really cute. Lots of different colours. We've got the adapter, of course, for, well, we haven't actually, I have got it. The adapter is in here, because obviously I'm in the UK. That's for the e-file. And then we've also got a little, what's it, of bits in here, and even a little cloth in there as well, which is fab. Let me just stick these back down, because obviously they've been in transit and they've come out. I must say, this bit here that I got from Melodysusie in a video recently, I've used this so much. It's fantastic. And I love the mini mandrels as well. And I've also, since receiving my last Efile bits from Melodysusie, really fell in love with ceramic bits as well. Because I used to use carbides and that was it. And the diamond ones for cuticles, obviously. But I have actually started using ceramics, which you would have noticed in my video. So thank you to Melodysusie for basically getting me onto them. Then we've got another one in here, another cuticle bit. That's what this one looks like. And then we've also got another one here, which looks like a buffer bit, which I actually haven't, just reading what it says on the side. I actually haven't tried one of these yet. I just didn't get around to purchasing one. But these are like a buffer bit. So perfect for refining or even prepping the natural nail. Like very, I don't know, it baffles me that it's made of that material, but can be used for that. But, you know, that's what it's for. So you got to go with it. We've also got some little rhinestones, which are very cute. We've got some sanding bands for the mini mandrel bit. And then we've got the wires, of course, for everything that we need wires for. But this is it. Like, this is the Efile. So again, brilliant for at-home use because it doesn't take up any space. And then you've also got, like it's, what am I trying to say? It's good for mobile text again because it takes up absolutely no space whatsoever. I just need to read about it to actually figure out how to use it because it is, of course, so different to anything that I've ever used before. So I need to, oh, I've turned it on. Okay, now I need to figure out how to turn it off. Okay, there we go. So I just need to figure out how to open the end to get a bit inside it. That would be helpful. I should use the instructions anyway, but the on button anyway that I have already figured out on my own is down here, and then this is a screen here. So once you've turned it on, the screen comes on and it tells you what number it's on, and then obviously you just turn it up as you go and to whatever speed you want it to be. And the charger port is here, which of course is what these chargers are for. So yeah, it's absolutely fantastic actually. It's very different. So just as I just noticed, this on button is a pause button as well. So you can pause and stop and then hold it down to completely turn it off. Like so. So always remember to completely hold it down when you want to turn it off, as it will run out of battery really quick. Okay, so I've just read the instructions. I was trying to twist this like you usually would to lock bits in to take it out, but you don't actually have to do that. You literally just slide it in and it's nice and secure. Obviously use your dust cap protector, and then you can turn it on. You can use it as it is. It'll obviously start spinning. It's super quiet as well actually. Let's turn it right up. So that's 22,000 RPMs. It goes up to 30. I usually use it around 22, 23 for most bits, apart from cuticle bits. Obviously that's a lot lower, but majority of carbides and ceramics is 22. And I don't know if you can hear, but it's actually really, really quiet. This is fantastic. Like, I absolutely love this. I'm definitely going to be using this in my nail room on clients because this is just fantastic. And it feels, it's lightweight, but like not enough for you to feel like you're not holding anything. Like there's enough weight to it to feel substantial. But it's so streamlined. Like it just feels like you're holding a pen. So it's super, super comfortable. Yeah, I really love this. And then once you're finished with your bit, you just hold down the off button and then just pull it out like so. But it doesn't come out really easily, so that's obviously good while you're using it. It's well and truly stuck. Do you know what? I think this is probably, and I don't really want to like, you know, I'm not dissing anyone else or anything like that. I'm so grateful to every brand that sends me anything. I've had a lot from Melodysusie as well, but just out of everything I've ever received from everybody, I think this might actually top like everything. This is amazing. So forget Mother's Day, forget buying it for your mum, buy it for yourself. It's so cool. And I don't get anything from Melodysusie for telling you whether I like it or not, by the way. Like, they just send me this. They don't say I have to be positive or anything like that. You can say whatever you please. I mean, don't get me wrong, if I said something was really rubbish, they probably wouldn't be very pleased, but you know, it's just one of those things. If I'm not happy, I'm not happy. But this, I absolutely love this. It is amazing. I've never seen anything like it up until now. This is fantastic. So I'm not going to do my nails in this video because they don't, well, they do need doing, but I don't have time to do them right now. Like, I just wanted to really quickly show you this product because I'm just so impressed with it. Well, I didn't know I was going to be impressed with it obviously until now, but I want to show you it now. So I'm just going to turn it on. I'm going to pop it up to 6,000 RPMs, which is around what I usually use most of my cuticle bits on. And I'm just going to do a quick whiz around with this cuticle bit. Just excuse that horrible noise. It's because obviously my builder gel's in the way. I usually do my cuticles when my builder gel's all nice and smooth and filed and everything. But yeah, this e-file is brilliant. It's so powerful. I'm not going to lie, like for an e-file like this, I would assume that it wouldn't be powerful and it would just be like quite weak because of how thin and lightweight and everything it is. But honestly, I'm so surprised. It's fantastic. I probably sound like I'm being really over the top, but honestly, I really love this. And it takes up absolutely no space. Like if you were mobile and you need it in your kit, especially with that lamp as well, like combine the two. And then also if you are a home user and you just do your own nails at home, not a lot of people will have like a huge obviously setup to be able to do just their own nails. Some people might just have a little box of stuff that they just get out when they're doing their nails. So for those types of people, both these products would be absolutely perfect. So I'm just going to click pause because they're so compact and they hardly take up any space at all. But yeah, as you can see, it works. I mean, I wasn't expecting it not to work, but I just wanted to use it, to be honest, because it's so exciting. So that's pause, and then you could click play and it'd carry on at what you're at before, or you can turn it all the way down and then off. And that's it, it's off. That is absolutely fantastic. I love that. I just want to put it into perspective on what it's like compared to the handpiece of a normal e-file from Melodysusie, if you will. So this is it's this one. I don't know what it's called. I've got so many of them now. I think I've got 3. But that's that one anyway. So that's the difference. It's much slimmer, much longer. I put them together where the ends are. You can see it's much longer, but obviously it needs that extra space for the buttons, and then you need that length to be able to hold it. So that's why it's so long. But yeah, I'm so impressed with that. So definitely check this out. I can't remember if I even know what date these are going on the website or whether they're on as of this video being up. I can't remember because I'm absolutely useless at remembering details, especially when I get excited over something. So everything has gone out of my head now because I'm just so over the moon with this. But yeah, just a quick recap. If it is out, I will link it in the description box. If it isn't, then it will just be a link to the Melodysusie website, but I will add the link to this box when it is available. If it isn't right now, I just can't remember. And I don't know when I'm scheduling this video for either. But yeah, so we get obviously all the leads and wires to everything. You get the lamp, you get the streamline e-file, you get all those cuticle bits. So you get a box, put that back in there. You get this little holder of 6 bits, and that's got everything you'd need in it as well. Like if you're doing a full set, you just start out with your cuticle bits and then obviously your sanding band, and then you've also got this ready for taking any length down when you come to do an infill or removing for an infill, so that's handy. And you also get the sanding bands to go with the mandrel. And then we've also got some buffers, some rhinestones for some decoration, and then also some stickers as well. So what more could you need? And an extra like bonus buffer bit, which is just fantastic. So yeah, you really do get absolutely everything you need in this kit. And then of course, oh, and this other one as well, which I forgot about. And then of course you've got your instruction manuals for both things as well. So you've got for the lamp and for the drill, and then your warranty card, which I've already lost. Haven't lost, it's here. So yeah, that is just phenomenal. Let me know what you think. I am so impressed with it, and I'm not just saying that because this is like a PR video, because like I said, I really wouldn't lie if I wasn't interested in something. This e-file, sorry, is just fantastic. I do love the lamp, but I have already gone into more detail about the lamp in a different video because I did one like literally just for that lamp. So this one is literally just to showcase the gift box. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're as impressed with these products as I am, because I am super impressed. But yeah, I'll be back very soon with another video. My discount code to Melodysusie will be in the top left for the duration of the video. Any information that I haven't included in here will either be in the description box or it won't be, and if it isn't, you can just ask and I will either tell you if I know or find out for you if I don't. So yeah, I hope this was helpful and you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Americans, get your hands on these for Mother's Day. Anyone who's not American or is American and doesn't need to buy a Mother's Day present for any reason, just buy it for yourself because it really is amazing. But yeah, I will be back very soon with another video. Bye.